Hi friends. Welcome to Money Sorcery channel. At any point of time if you feel this video is valuable for you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. So, let us quickly discuss about today's market updates. BSE Sensex is up by 676.69 points, that is 0.93%, and settled at 73,663.72 points. Nifty 50 is up by 203.30 points, that is 0.92%, and settled at 22,403.85 points. Bank Nifty is up by 289.60 points, that is 0.61%, and settled at 47,977.05 points. Nifty Midcap 100 Index is up by 445.55 points, that is 0.88%, and settled at 51,153.30 points. Nifty Small Cap 100 Index is up by 138.95 points, that is 0.84%, and settled at 16,596.40 points. V-Guard Industries Quarter 4 net profit 792 million rupee versus 463 million year-on-year. V-Guard Industries Quarter 4 EBITDA 998 million rupee versus 863 million rupee year-on-year. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited Quarter 4 net profit 43 billion rupee versus 28.3 billion year-on-year. Quarter 4 EBITDA 58.96 billion rupee versus 32.5 billion year-on-year. Quarter 4 EBITDA margin 39.92% versus 25.98% year-on-year. Mahindra and Mahindra Company approved an invest of 12,000 crore rupees in MEAL to fund our EV journey over the next 3 years. M&M its auto division expect to generate sufficient operating cash to satisfy all our capital investment needs and are not looking to raise additional capital. M&M Company said in exchange filing. Texmaco Rail report Quarter 4 earning report. Net profit 45.3 crore rupees versus 18.3 crore rupees year-on-year. Revenue up 37% at 1,146 crore rupees versus 835.3 crore rupees year-on-year. EBITDA up 51% at 83.6 crore rupees versus 55.3 crore rupees year-on-year. Margin at 7.7% versus 6.6% year-on-year. With this positive results, stock surged up in today's session. IEX said its profit for March quarter grew 9.5% year-on-year to 96.70 crore rupees on 15.2% rise in sales at 149.30 crore rupees. The IEX board announced a final dividend of 1 rupee and 50 paise for financial year 24. IEX said India's electricity consumption in FY24 hit 1,622 bus, up 7.7% year-on-year. India's coal production rose 11.7% year-on-year to 1 billion tons and coal dispatches to the power sector rose 8.8% year-on-year to 810 million tons. IEX update on market coupling. Company says CERC analysis indicates no significant gain observed in volume in the shadow pilot study for market coupling announced in February 2024. And IEX believes, even if government decides to go ahead with market coupling, it would take at least a few years to implement. With this positive news, stock surged up in today's session.
As a broker, when we are putting a trade for retail investor, we are attracting number of taxes, CGST, IGST, stamp duty, STT, long-term capital gain tax. So today, Government of India is earning more than the broker. We have So, government, I am investing everything, I am taking a whole lot of risk, and Government of India is taking away entire profit of mine. You are my sleeping partner, I am a working partner with my finance, my risk, my staff, everything. So what do you want to say on this? Number 2, there is one more question for you. You have removed cash component, Mr. Lodha is also there, from buying a house. In Bombay, today, if anybody wants to buy a house, is a nightmare. Because I am paying tax, I have white money. Now we have to pay everything by check. Mr. Lodha will not accept cash. So, my bank balance is purely after paying all taxes to Government of India. Again, when I am buying a house, I have to pay stamp duty, I have to pay GST, so that amounts to 11%. In a city of Bombay, when I'm buying a house, 11% goes out of my pocket towards purchase of house. So how you will assist a small person with limited resources to buy a house, and how a broker can function with hordes of taxis where Government of India is my sleeping partner and I am a working partner with no income.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Okay, we have last
You
two
know,
questions. So
Sorry, I told Shaina I have no answer for that, but a sleeping partner cannot answer sitting here.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more updates.